guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Hayley and today we're going to be looking at the Look Fantastic The Box, and this is the November edition. Now I wanted to buy this because I always look at all the boxes because they do one every month, don't they? But I've never taken the plunge and thought, I mean, I've had a couple of them in the past, but not a subscription. But this time I've done a subscription, so I'll be getting them every month. So make sure you stay tuned to see what I'm getting in the boxes, and you might decide you want it as well. But this one's November's, and yeah, I saw this one, I was like, I want it. There was one thing in it, I can remember that it's in here, but now I can't remember what else was in there. But I remember seeing that one thing and thinking, I want that, and I would probably, I don't know how much it is. I think I might have tried to look for it, but I went out in the shops looking at other ones. You'll see what I mean when I tell you. And I thought, if I'm going to pay that, then I might as well just buy this box because you can cancel at any time. So I got this first box for £11, and the stuff inside, I think it was worth like 70 something this month. I can't remember now, but I'll put the total. I'll write it in the title or wherever, and I'll put the worth of the things up like I do with these boxes, so we'll see what it's worth, won't we? So let's open it up, see what's inside. How do I open it up? So there's a little tab here that you pull off, I think. I have now. And then nearly there, fold, it says nearly there, fold down. Fold down. Fold what down? Oh, I'm getting confused. Why do I want to just rip it open? Oh, I fold this. Oh, look. I fold that down. Oh, and then do I pull it up? What does it say? Slide up. It's telling me what to do. Look, now it's saying slide up. There, now I know how getting it. I'll have all trouble every month, won't I? Oh, there's a few bits of paper in there. Like advertising things and deals you can get. I think this is yeah, Hello Fresh, so that's in there. I've always wanted to try that, but I don't know how much it is. It's probably cheaper to cook your own, isn't it? But I would love to try that. And then what else have we got? Oh, we got a pet food thing. If you've got a doggy, I think it's just, is it for dogs? I think it's just for dogs. I'm not sure. Might be for any pets, but I can see dogs on there. And then, what have I got here? Wine Lover, £5 off. Delicious wine. Oh, Naked Wines it is. Yeah, so you probably, I think you've got to spend quite a bit, because I did look into it once. And you had to spend 140 to get, is it £5 off? Oh, £75, sorry, I wasn't looking at it properly. £75 off, but I had to spend like 140, and I was like, no, don't want to do it. So I didn't. But now we're getting to the goodies. Let's see. Now this is the thing that made me buy it. I might as well start with that, hadn't I? So I saw someone else opening up this box, and they said that they use it to put their phone in and then film themselves, because it stands up, so you can do that. There's my case, and then you can just stand it on somewhere and you can film yourself and you haven't got to hold it. So I thought I would try it, but I went out, I thought, I don't really need to buy this box just to get that, but I went out looking for clips and none of them had this lovely flat edge that this clip has. This one is Look Fantastic, and I think they're in collaboration with So Eco. So I think can you only get this at Look Fantastic? I'm not sure, but I use these grippy things anyway in my hair, and that's a really nice big one, isn't it? Really nice quality clip. And I noticed it has got dead flat thing to stand your phone in, so I thought that was brilliant. So I got that, and it's just like a plastic material. It looks wooden, but it's plastic. It feels really nice and soft, and it can hold a good bit of hair in there, can't it? So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Then what else have we got in here? I think this is, what is this? Cetaphil and it says gentle skin cleanser, normal to dry and sensitive skin, hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin's moisture. So that's good for dry skin and sensitive skin and normal skin, good for all those skin types. So I'll enjoy. I've never had that, so I will try it and see what I think. I think these are non-perfumed, aren't they? Don't think they've got any perfume in them. So yeah. And what size is that? 29mm. I thought it said 25mm because I usually do that, but I think it's 29mm. Strange number. Why not 30? Weird, isn't it? So there's that. I'm going to open it up and smell it. I always do that, don't I? Smell everything. Let's have a look in there. So it looks like it's a creamy colour. Don't think you can see in the camera. It is creamy when I look in there. It's not see-through. Can't smell anything, and I've just got it on there, and I do it every time. I can't smell anything, so I don't think that is perfumed. Nice little one to try. I love getting these boxes because you can try things then, can't you? And then what have we got next? What's this in the brown paper? Like a little cracker it was. Look, one they was twisted a bit. A little cracker. Sorry one though, isn't it? Let's see what's in here. I've got a feeling. I don't know what it might be. Yes, it is what I thought. A little votive candle. And that is Rituals. Ritual of Sakura. Little candle. Oh, I've got a bit of paper in there. Let's have a smell. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love candles. And I know someone else who does as well. And what is this size? Well, it doesn't say the size, but it's the size of a normal votive, and I'll put it there. So, yeah, it smells gorgeous. Oh, I got another one of these Rituals candles, and it might be the same one. Is it Ritual? It might be Ritual of Sakura, because it smells very familiar to something I've smelt very recently in one of those, a candle. So I think it might have been this one, but a larger size in one of the calendars I had. So I was really pleased to get that. And this, it just smells gorgeous. So happy to have that. What's next? What's next? There's 3 more things still. Oh, this little packet of things. What is it? It is First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads with glycolic and lactic acids. Safe for sensitive skin. So, yeah, just some little wipe across face. It says directions. Wipe across face, neck and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. Dispose in trash or compost after use. So are these degradable? They must be, mustn't they? So yeah, some little wipes after you've cleansed yourself. Maybe it's a bit like a toner, isn't it? But in little face wipes. And that is 10 pads. There's 10 pads in there. And it says, do not flush down your toilet. I don't flush anything like that down my toilet anyway. I don't know why I had to point that out. It's got a little thing there. Don't flush it in your toilets. No doing that. So yeah, nice little thing to try. What next? I'll try this. What is it? I can't remember anything what was in here. This is Hair Gain, and it says scalp foam. Leave-in scalp treatment. Reduce hair shed. Get thicker, fuller hair. Wow, I've never had anything like that, and I've never had anything from Hair Gain. Let's see. It says Hair Gain scalp foam is our ultimate scalp treatment for fuller looking hair. Expect less hair shed and hair that shines with vitality. Directions. Use on dry or towel dried hair. Divide hair into sections and massage evenly into the scalp and hairline. No need to rinse. Use once per day. Use between 7 to 10 pumps per use, or enough to cover the entire scalp. Style hair as normal. So there you go. and that is 50ml. I'll take the lid off, but I'm not gonna, because you've got to use it on damp hair, haven't you? Oh, I always have a problem with these lids, don't I? So I can see that will be coming out like a foam, won't it? I can see it in there. It's to there. But I think you shake it up, don't you? So it will expand. When you use a mousse, you've got to shake it up, haven't you? So yeah, that'll be interesting to try. And then the last little thing in here is a little pencil. I think I remember this. This is a little pencil, and it is Nude Sticks Magnetic Matte Eye Colour in the shade Taupe. And it is 2.5 grams. So that is to go on your eye. Let's have a look at it. I'll give you a swatch. I'll give you a swatch. So there it is. Oh, I love it. That's a really nice colour, that is. Oh, perfect. So that is matte. I will really enjoy using that. And guess what? I've never had any nude sticks. So it was a good box for me, wasn't it? But yeah, I am loving that colour. Love it. I think, yeah, I have got a fat. I was just noticing it's a fat pencil, and you've got to have the pencil sharpener for it, haven't you? But I have. I've got a double one. So yeah, I didn't know if it was like a twist up, but it's not. You've got to sharpen it. So that was the last product. I really enjoyed that box. So if you enjoyed watching me open it, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.